Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Hyundai Elantra, stock number 6356. It's run from 3rd 2011 to 11th 2015. It has a G4ND 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4ND 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, left rear taillight, rear boot lid no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag flat tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,